PSG has 7 fabrication shops located throughout California and Washington. In the fabrication process, we cut and bend the steel to meet the requirements of the detailed bar list using the identified grade, diameter, and length of bar.
We take stock lengths of rebar, stock coil, and we bend them per spec. We receive orders from our detailers for our current work, and we fabricate what is on those orders, whether it be right angle, straight bar, HRC bar, threaded bar, one-piece ties, columns, what have you. We service all of Southern California, LA and San Diego. We run 70 fabrication men and about 20 in-house drivers. That equates to anywhere from 2,000 to 2,500 tons per week. We ship anywhere from 25 to 35 trucks on average on a daily basis. Orders ran and processed by our data input are anywhere probably from 30 to 75 orders a day.
We have state-of-the-art equipment to make us as efficient as possible. This typically starts with the shear line, where the bar is cut to the engineer's specified length. The cut bar is then moved to the bending tables, again bent to meet the unique engineering requirements of the given job. Here you see an auto bender manufacturing ties for one of our jobs. We will often recommend the use of a header bar in lieu of a hooked bar to reduce congestion. Here we are assembling the frame of a rebar cage using a machine to weld stirrups into a regular pattern matching the job's requirements.
It takes awareness and it takes you having to pay attention to detail. Everything we do is detail oriented. It has to be perfect within spec. Our men, they're hard workers and they're on their feet for 10 to 12 hours a day, but to pay attention to all the safety hazards, all of our criteria, and to make sure we're putting out the right product and not having any shortages, any errors, it takes a lot.
Pre-planning is key to PSG's success. Such planning requires constant communication between the estimator, detailer, project manager, and foreman. Site location and limitations are carefully considered. The number of truckloads needed, timing of arrival, and crew size is constantly evaluated. From fabrication to installation, PSG will tailor the right approach for your next specific project.